राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा की देशभक्ति फिल्म रंग दे बसंती को रिलीज हुए 15 साल हो चुके हैं और इसे आज भी हर कोई याद करता है। ओम प्रकाश मेहरा ने अपनी किताब द स्ट्रेंजर इन द मिरर को मुंबई में एक इवेंट के दौरान लॉन्च किया। इस दौरान वहां मौजूद मीडिया ने जब राकेश से रंग दे बसंती के सीक्वल के बारे में पूछा तो उनका कहना था,
क्वेश्चन ये था कि जब रंग दे बसंती फिल्म ख़त्म हुई तो लास्ट सीन डीजे की डेथ के बाद जर्नलिस्ट दिखाए गए, काफ़ी लोग उनसे बात कर रहे थे। तो उसमें एक बंदा जर्नलिस्ट टीवी में बोलता है कि आप लोगों ने जो चिंगारी हमारे दिल में लगाई है वो इतनी जल्दी ख़त्म नहीं होगी और ये चलती रहेगी। सर, वो चिंगारी आज भी है। सो इज़ देयर अ सीक्वल ऑफ रंग दे बसंती 2 सर coming for us?
You are the sequel. The idea was that the generation becomes the sequel, not. वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था। फिल्म ख़त्म हो गई। एडिटिंग, Bharti is finishing the editing, AR is finishing the background. I am traveling between Mumbai and Chennai, and this is December. We are releasing on Jan 19th. Amir is getting married to Kiran on December 26th और ख़त्म करना है, पंचगनी जाना है, शादी भी। तो उसने बोला, मेहरा तू शादी में मत आ। This is the first time I am telling any friend of mine कि मेरी शादी में मत आ, तू फिल्म पे फोकस कर। And I'm waking up every day and saying कि यार there's something missing in Rang De Basanti. क्या problem क्या है? And apparently Bhairavi went for the marriage. She was all of 4 years old, so she represented. I said, Amir, my daughter is coming representing us. So all that happened. I was missing something. ये जो आपने चिंगारी वाली बात की है। One morning I woke up, and this is like 17th, 18th December, and next month the film is releasing. Film is ready, everybody's seen it. Amir, Ronnie, this thing, market, research, that, all that. हाँ, ये film है, release करेंगे. I told Bharti there's something missing, I don't know what. I woke up and I knew what was missing. We had created the spark, but we hadn't handed over the torch as such. You know, a thing is not about doing something. It's about who is going to take it forward as such. So, so I called up Radhika Roy of NDTV. Dr. Roy was not available, and I said, Radhika, I need your help. I need to shoot. And she said, what? I said, I've just made this film and I need to shoot some more. And I need to shoot in your crews all over India. She said, okay, so here I'll give you this number. She'll help you, Sonal. So I said, let's go to Bangalore. I'm going there to shoot. And we went to the engineering college. वहाँ जाके मैंने बोला कि ये there was an NDTV van and वो सब हुआ और बोला कि वो दिल्ली में some students have taken over the All India radio and commandos are firing at them. And people poured their heart out. Then I had to say, wait, I'm doing it for a movie. They said, doesn't matter. We repeated the exercise in Kanpur, Lucknow. My assistant went to Assam, to Jammu, Srinagar, Delhi, Kolkata. And within 5 days, thanks to NDTV's network, we shot on TV cameras, not even film cameras, and with real TV crew. And we got all that. And once the material came back, I was looking at it. And when I put it in the film became complete क्योंकि चिंगारी फैल चुकी.